my friends, welcome to Program Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are practicing Look Lively from the Shooting Stars book. Look Lively is played in the key of A minor and I'll play you an A minor scale so that we can get used to that. I'll play it for you first and then you can join me. There we go. Now an A minor scale is different from an A major scale because we're now not playing a C sharp, which was the high second finger on the A string, but we're keeping that second finger close and it is a C natural. So we're playing a low second finger and that makes it sound a little bit more sad. So that is a minor scale and this would be A major. And I'm hoping that you are already really very good at the A major scale. So this time we're keeping the second finger close and we've got that third note that is a C. But minor scales can end in different ways and we are playing the harmonic minor scale. And that means we've got an F natural and then a G sharp. And that gives you that really sort of, and that makes it sound sort of, I always think, a really bit of Egyptian or Eastern European sounding, you see. So let's now have a go and play the scale together. And well done, that's a very good go. So, most people find that when you play from an F here to a G sharp, that is a massive space, isn't it? It's a tone and a half. Most people find that they find themselves playing it too small, that distance. So, let's just practice F to G sharp and make your space between your fingers really, really big. Here we go, F. And then we're going back to F, G sharp, see if you can get it in tune, and now we're going to add the A, the top A to it, F, that's it, well done. Now this G sharp here is called the leading note because it leads the music to the top A. Okay, so let's now play those three notes once again. That's it. Let's play the scale one more time, shall we? And well done, you're getting better and better at it. Now let's play the A minor arpeggio. And the letter names of the A minor arpeggio are A, C, E, and then you get the top A. Here we go, slowly with long bows, and so now we're completely warmed up and ready to play Look Lively. I'll play it for you. that. It's one of my favourite pieces, this one. I love that octave at the end. So can you play a double stop, third finger on E, and then an open A string? Why don't you try that with me? Let's play that a couple of times. If you find yourself playing out of tune, let's see if you can work out if you are too sharp or too flat, okay? We're going to just fiddle about with that chord a little bit. Now we're going to deliberately make it a little bit sharper. Ooh, that's not very nice. So let's see if we can get it back in tune. Let's do that again. Out of tune, too sharp. Okay, this time we're deliberately playing this chord too flat. So your third finger comes down a bit. Ooh, nice and horrible that. And let's do it again and then move it up in tune again. Now in one go, can you get it perfect? Wow, that's good. Okay, now I think the beginning of Look Lively is fairly straightforward, and I want you to have a look now at bar 9. That is about in the middle of the second line. 7, 8, 9, yeah, bar 9. So we're going to play this very slowly, because now you're going to raise your third finger on the D string. Slowly we're going ba, dee, 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 da. Just those first 5 notes, okay? And let's play them in reverse order, these 5 notes. And again the usual way, up bow start. So let's listen carefully to this note 3 on the D string. And again from B. Okay, now if you look ahead a little bit and we go to bar 16, you've got those same notes again, except you've got a long E, so you get 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again, bar 16, and then just onto the first note of bar 17. And 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, let's go back to the beginning now. Now in this piece we've got lots of semiquavers, as you have noticed, but I'm going to count the piece in quavers. So 2 semiquavers fit in a time of 1 quaver. So if my beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to count 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You know, a crotchet equals 2 quavers. So hold it for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, excuse my singing there. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Well done. So we've talked a little bit about the counting, but now let's have a look at the last 2 lines, because you can see that the time signature changes now. We used to have 2/4 time. Okay, so we had 4 quavers in the bar, but then suddenly in the middle of the penultimate line you can see 3/4 time. So suddenly instead of 4 quavers in the bar we've got 6. Okay, so you count 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, and then we're back to normal. Then we're back to 2/4 time. So that only that one bar you count to 6, and the following bar you count just normal again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, and that's just done because the composer wanted to emphasize that little theme tune. You see, the emphasis is on the A all the time. And that gives you a nice sort of funky rhythm there at the end. So you can really make the most of that. So, let's put it all together now. And let's take a look at the performance directions. We're going to start mezzo piano. And mezzo piano means medium quiet. So not too loud initially, until we get to line 2 where it's mezzo forte. So a little step up from where you were before, a little bit louder. And then in line 3 you can see first the word crescendo. Have you practiced saying that recently, the word crescendo? If not, do it now. Crescendo. Crescendo means gradually becoming louder. And then after that you see that hairpin-like thing. And that also means crescendo. It means increase the volume, okay? Until you get to forte. And forte, as you know, means loud. And then we're staying loud for almost the rest of the entire piece, and then you end fortissimo, and fortissimo is as loud as you can manage, super loud at the end. Okay, we're going a little bit faster at the same time, so I'll count us in for 4 quavers. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Thank you so much for watching. Do like this video and write a comment if you have a comment. That'll be nice. I will get back to you. And please share this with your friends. Goodbye.